Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story icon too big. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. So guys, firstly you tap on Instagram and now you can see story icon is too big. So how to fix it? So guys, firstly you go to the App Store or Play Store and now you can search the Instagram, tap on it, and you now you can see update option. Tap on update and now you can see Instagram is updating now. So waiting for a few seconds. Now guys, you can see Instagram is updating now. Go back and now you can try to open the Instagram to check the story icon. So open the Instagram and now you can see that story icon is too big. How to fix it? So guys, firstly tap on the icon and tap on three lines. Now you can see setting and privacy. Tap on it. Now now just scroll down and find the help. Now you can tap on the help and now you can see report a problem. Tap on report a problem and check that. Go back and shake phone. So tap on it, tap on it, report problem without shaking. So now you can see that include to continue. Would you like to include complete legs and this diagnostic? Yeah, don't include. Now you can see free explain what happened or what's not working. So type here briefly and now upload a screenshot or take screenshot from Instagram story. So guys, I hope you will all know how to fix Instagram story icon too big. So don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.